Guys, the current time is 4:47 and we're all getting ready.
Birds chirping. I think it's like 5:15. We're like the only people here wearing freaking masks.
I'm not wearing a mask.
Why? I know. Under my jurisdiction, you should wear a mask. Welcome to Terminal 1. Okay guys, we are at Pearson Airport. We are very early. It's currently 7 o'clock and we can't check in our bags yet because we can only check in closer to our flight time, which is around 12. Our boarding time is 11:10, so I'll check back with you in a couple hours. We successfully made it out of Pearson security. First obstacle down. We are ready to board our plane at 12, but it's only 9. So apparently there's something wrong with the plane and our flight is delayed 3 hours.
Bum, bum, bum.
We're about to take off soon.
Cabin crew prepare for departure and caution.
Okay guys, oh my god, we're about to land. Everybody's stressed because the flight is delayed. We are late, we are cutting it close. Before we had a 4-hour layover. Now we have 30 minutes to get to our plane. Go through customs, go through security. You know the States is not good for their whatever, their TSA or their checking. But everyone needs to take a freaking chill pill. Alright, we are aboard the flight to Maui 537, I believe.
He's gonna rev it and then drop the clutch and we're gonna go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Maui. Local time is 9:50 p.m. For comfort, safety, please remain in your seat.
Bye now.
Bye,
have a good night. Thank you very much. Yeah. Alright guys, we are at Alamo Car Rental. We just got off the tram. We're gonna check in, get our car ready, and then we're gonna drive to our condo, hotel, whatever you want to call it. We're on our way to get food at the gas station. Okay, so at this point we're all really tired because we're running without 28 hours of sleep, and we were really hungry, really tired. So I found the nearest grocery store that was open 24 hours because it was literally 12. Like, what store is open at 12? Hey guys, I'm in the middle of unpacking stuff that needs to be like that. I don't want wrinkles, but yeah. This is me finishing the end of day 1 vlog.